Farrah Abraham will reunite with other Teen Mom stars, including Maci, Bookout and Portwood, for a spin-off special premiering on MTV in early 2022. The Teen Mom gang is getting back together. MTV announced on Tuesday, November 30th, that original Teen Mom cast member Farrah Abraham will be reuniting with her former co-stars Portwood and Maci Bookout for Teen Mom Family Reunion, an 8-episode spin-off special that will premiere on MTV on January 8, 2022. Teen Mom 2's Ashley Jones, Briana DeJesus, Jade Cline, and Leah Messer will also appear in the special, which, according to MTV's press release, will see the women come together for a massive family reunion to connect with one another and celebrate their unique bonds. They'll also reunite with surprise guests from the past and present. This will be Farrah's first time with her former cast members since she was fired from the reality show during season 7, which aired from 2017 to 2018. MTV also shared a first-look video at the special, which shows Amber, 31, and Maci, 30, talking to Dr. Drew Pinsky alongside Caitlin Baltira, who does not appear in the special, about their experience reuniting with Farrah, 30. "We really tried to make her feel better?" Amber said, while Maci added, "I have my own opinion, Amber has hers. Like, y'all make your own opinions, get to know her." They also confirmed that Farrah conflicted with pretty much everyone on the special, including the Teen Mom 2 girls. Farrah wasn't there in person in the spin-off special's first look video, but she did appear in a video recording that Dr. Drew showed to her former co-stars, which can be seen above. "Amber and Maci, I had such a good time catching up with you on the set of Family Reunion," she said. "Kate, so sorry you couldn't be there. Now it's true, some drama went down. So stay tuned for a special sneak peek that will play in part 2 of this reunion. Okay ladies, have a great reunion. No storming off." Related gallery. Teen Mom OG, photos from the show. Teen Mom Family Reunion will premiere on January 11th at 8 p.m. ET, followed directly by a second spin-off special, Teen Mom Girls Night. The latter show will feature Teen Mom OG stars Amber, Maci, Caitlin, and Cheyenne Floyd watching episodes of Teen Mom 2 and sharing their own opinions about the biggest moments. There will also be surprise appearances on Teen Mom Girls Night, which includes 10-hour-long episodes.